So welcome in this video I'm going to show you totally short way. I don't want to waste your time here. Just what you need to do, everything is you can read here that I put it on this post. So if you don't yet join in this our telegram channel, so feel free to join fast way. Just check out this video's description box and walk through that link and come into here. So here is post you will get immediately. So here is one thing noticed that every blue button, and there is a link. Okay, so here is go to here, so click on that and copy. Okay, sorry, copy that link, click on tap on 2 seconds and copy this link. And after, what you need to do is, in order to done this work, is go to your browser, whatever browser you have. I'm going to the same browser that I showed you before. So here is I'm pasting my link, and that will be open. So what you need to do after doing it is just put your email and get your verification code. So I'm putting my email inside of here. So I'm using the okay, so I'm using the so accept all of cookies, and that's it. So 4567, I'm using my Gmail here. You do your okay. So pretty much simple, and as simple as that. Okay, nothing fancy. Okay, so click on this continue button, and setting things up for you, it will take a little bit time. Okay, for setting everything is up for you, and quiz page would be pop up for you. And where is you will have couple of tasks, like connect your Twitter, connect Discord, those type of task. Every task is social. Okay, so getting verification code, you need to go your Gmail and check out that Gmail you put on there. So I'm checking on my Gmail. So here is, I put it the 127gmail.com. So here is, I'm pounding this on, so a little bit time it will take. I'm come backing very soon. So log into community gaming. So here is, click on there, and you will get this, you will get this thing. So 899456, 899456. Remember this, 899456. Okay, 899456. Okay, are immediate. Okay, sorry, 456. I did wrong here slightly. Today is your first day, so here is, you get your first spin. So I'm going to show you. Sorry, it is get. Okay, so never be freaked out, because overwrite and over emails they use their website. So here is, just do slightly down, and here is, you will found this spin now. So click on this spin now, and it will be open in this way. So what we need to do, just click on inside of the middle option on this is spin. Okay, this wheel. So we already did spin 10,000 point we get. Maybe you don't see this, but you will see it later. So here is what you need to do is connect your Twitter. I know some Twitter task is not available now, so just do connect. For doing connect you will get point. Okay, you don't need to do Twitter task because I tried, 1 hour, 1 and 30 hour. I did try a lot of time here, and I never done Twitter task because they said that it is not our problem, it is Twitter API problem. I don't know, I don't want to know about that, because I'm just, maybe it is your problem. It is happening with all of the people, those who wanting to participate in this airdrop. So never figure out. So our Twitter has been connected. So if I showed you here, your Twitter account successfully linked page will be refreshed. So yeah, so now here is you will increase our points over time. So here is just same way, come into here, let's go click on there, and while you will go there, while you follow the instruction, you will get a couple of, okay, congratulations, you get it. So go to the quest first, our point has been increased. So the more point you will have, the more airdrop you will get. So this is the task. So do the last one, like visit on there, and this task would be done. Okay, I don't want to show you. So okay, I'm clicking on here. Same way it will be done. Okay, so nothing complicated, easy, straightforward. Okay, so here is, it is Twitter post. Maybe do follow or do retweet, whatever they wanting to say. You just do the extra, but Twitter task is not available maybe inside of this platform. So I'm going to go through here again, and yeah, we got it, Twitter task is work. Twitter task is worked. Awesome, awesome. Okay, let me see it, okay. So like and repost. Okay, so it is, this is the problem, main problem that I'm going to talk with you. So never freak out about that. You get a couple of points just to check and ability to do spin. So go here and check them out and do this social task. It is easy, as much easy, and everything. So do subscribe, link your Discord, it will be work, link your Google, it will be work. For that you will get couple of point, and your point will be increased. So this is the video ultimate. If you feel complicated, come to me. I will definitely will help you for earning more point inside of this platform or any platform. So check out. So if you want to join in this channel, what you need to do, check out description box. You will found the link, come through that link, and you will be here. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy